ClinicalKey is also available in Android and iOS. Okay, should you install it later. Now, as I mentioned just now, this session also will focus more towards on how to install the app through Android. Okay. Now, to begin again, you have to log into the portal, go to online databases, and you can select either ClinicalKey or ClinicalKey for nursing. But your program, I believe, you will access ClinicalKey and not ClinicalKey for nursing. Now, just take note before we proceed. It's just that I want to share with you. You'll be able to see beside ClinicalKey, there's an app version. You can see here step-by-step guide installation, which means that this guideline here is also available through the library portal, should you wish to understand on how to install it properly later. Okay, not just ClinicalKey, even up-to-date, DME, Med1, everything will be made available. If the app is available, made by the publisher, it will be made available through the library portal as well by providing a guide for you to access. Okay, now again, once you click the platform, you have to log in into your username and password, click login. Then you can click the navigation panel. Take note, once I click it, I have to register my account. Okay, because if you don't register your account, you'll not be able to log in into the app. Okay, now once I click register, I fill the mandatory details and take note, I want to mention again, email address should be student email address or IMU email address. Because if you don't use your email address, you will not be able to access the remote access provided by the publisher. Okay, the publisher can identify whether you're using a personal or your student email address. Okay, now once I fill all my mandatory information details, I tick the agreement box and I click register. So once I click register, I will be able to see that an email has been sent to my email address. This is an example of a student email address that has been registered in the account. Once done, click continue. Okay, once I click continue, then I'll be able to enable the remote access. Okay, this can be done by yourself later. Okay, now, of course, when you already register an account, you have to install the app. Okay, and the app is not that big, it's only 5.4 megabytes. So once you click install, you'll be able to access it again from your phone by clicking the key button here. So after that, you'll be able to access this page. Just click next button, next, until you access the app. Take note, our version is the global version. So you are required to click global. Once you click global, you'll be able to access two types of platforms, but currently I'm focusing on ClinicalKey. So I will click ClinicalKey platform. So once I click ClinicalKey platform, again, I want to stress out, you have to use your username and password. But ClinicalKey is quite unique. Your username is actually your email address. Okay, ClinicalKey is like that. So once you have filled your username and password, click login, then you'll be able to access the page. Now, the page itself is very straightforward. If you need to look up for something, just type a keyword in the search box. Example here, I want to find a content related to diabetes mellitus. Okay, so I type diabetic mellitus in the search box, then a list will be provided to me, okay, for me to access. Then I select example here, this topic here, KDOQI Clinical Practice Guideline for Diabetes. Also, once I click it, I will be able to access the page in full text by browsing through it. I can scroll down, I will be able to see the full text. Then, other than that, the good thing about ClinicalKey is that they even allow you to do this. If you click the navigation buttons on the top right, you'll be able to download the article in PDF into your devices. This is one of the good things about ClinicalKey. Other than that, also, you'll be able to share the content with your friends and print. Okay, now, I will again pass the presentation to Mr. Nohalim. He will do a live demonstration on how to use the apps effectively.
Thank you, Razman. Thank you, Razman. Okay, again at my phone home screen, you click Play Store. Sorry. And you type in ClinicalKey. When you have installed it, click Open or select Open. Okay, select Next. Again, next, next, and done. Wait, hold on. Okay. So with this, for our edition is under global. You select global, and then you select ClinicalKey, the top one. Okay, for ClinicalKey is a bit different, whereby the username you have to include at imu.edu.my. So you put your username and password, and select login. Oops, have some issues. Just hold on, let me try it again. Okay, it's working. So this will be the main page for ClinicalKey apps. Okay, just go to this navigation bar, you click it, sorry, and you will see the list here. It is good if you can just choose browse, go to browse, so you will see a list of these segments of material available in ClinicalKey. So for instance, if you go to books, click books. So we will list out everything about books here. And if you want to have a detail on the books that you wanted, you can just put your keyword title here, find by title. For instance, human biochemistry. You click, select it. Now you will see the title, book, Human Biochemistry, Table of Content. Sorry. So for instance, if you click Organ System and Tissues, Chapter 1, sorry. Organ System and Tissues. So you will see the details of organ system and tissues. You scroll down, it's all the way down. Okay, very lengthy topic or chapter. And with this, if let's say that you have that interest and you want to read it or save it into your phone folder, you can download in PDF file. Click allow, select allow. And by right, yeah, here it's already downloaded. So this is now available under your own phone folder. Okay, I think I'm done for ClinicalKey, Razman. I hope that you actually find this useful for you, so that you can and I encourage you. Actually, we encourage you to use this and get use of this adopt and adapt with all the apps so that it's easier for you to move around and use this anywhere, anytime that you want, that you wanted or you desire.